I'm bored. I'm on now. Court does call the case. People versus Jory Jalul. Jalul.
Yes.
Go ahead, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. Abdullah Mughni, here by 85374, here on behalf of Jory Jalul, who appears today via Zoom. Jory, could you please say your full name for the record?
Yeah. Jory Jahlul.
You read over the pre-sentence report.
Yes, Your Honor. I've had the chance to go over the PSI with my client, and there's no deletions, corrections, or additions needed at this time.
All right. Anything you or your client would like to say before I impose sentence?
Yes, Your Honor. Very briefly, I've had the opportunity these past few months to get to know Jory. My first impression of her is one that has lasted throughout this entire process. She is a God-fearing, respectful, and law-abiding woman who made a mistake. Your Honor, Jory is a single mother of a few children, and this act that she had been caught in is a one-off deal where she learned a very harsh lesson. She learned it the hard way. No matter how tight money is, you can't do something of this nature. And she learned it the hard way, and she's not going to do it again. Your Honor, looking over the probation's recommendation, we're good with all of it. I ask that you reduce as much of the fees and costs as possible. And on top of it, she currently has her father, who is overseas in Iraq, on his deathbed at this point, and she's requesting that she be allowed to leave and go visit him, even during the course of her probation. So ultimately, I leave it up to you, Your Honor, but she would be very grateful if she was at the very least allowed the opportunity to see her father.
Ma'am, is there anything you'd like to say before I impose sentence?
I am sorry, and I apologize for the court, and I apologize for you, and nothing may happen again. I hope so.
Sentence of the court. I'll place you on the prosecutor's deferred sentence for a period of 4 months. You're to pay $480 fines and court costs, $120 probation oversight fees. When can that be paid?
Today.
Thank you. Pay that today. There's to be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You are to complete a theft class. You're to do that within the next 60 days. You're to complete 25 hours of community service as directed by probation. No going to any Walmart store in the state of Michigan. I'll set a review hearing. That's to be held October 23rd, 2024 at 9 a.m. I'll order 90 days in jail. That is suspended. With regard to travel, I'm going to need some proof of exactly where you're going provided to the court. So if you provide that to probation, we can arrange to make sure that you can go overseas to see your dad. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.